Hi guys, for your review today, we're going to be going over 3 questions that you're going to see on your test on Elluminate. These 3 questions might be a little bit tricky. So what I've done is I've found 3 questions that are similar to the ones on your test, and I thought we could go through them together. So I'm going to go through how to solve the problem, and then I'm going to pause, and I'm going to have you guys try to solve it. And then we're going to go on to the next question. So the first question that you're going to see, or at least one of the questions that you're going to see, is going to be talking about a person who has a lot of something, and of that something, they know a little part but not the other little part. So I wrote a similar question that says, Gumbo has 34 bones. There are 8 green bones. How many bones are not green? So this is the way that I would set up the problem. He has 34 bones in total, and there are 8 that are green, and we don't know how many are not green. So the 2 ways that you could do this problem are by drawing 34 circles, or 34 tens and ones, and then coloring in the 8 that are green to find out what's left over. Or you could draw 8 bones and you can find out how many more you would need to get to 34. So we're looking for the difference. Now I'm going to pause this video, have you do it on your own, and then in the next slide, you'll do a little quiz and we'll see if you were right.